This short guide explains how to buy shares of B3 Consulting Group AB and locate the listing on CBOE EU under the ticker B3.ST. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and this example uses eToro to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker B3.ST to find the company listing. Make sure you select the CBOE EU listing that matches B3 Consulting Group AB. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for B3 Consulting Group AB. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it is the correct share before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform.